In the world of trading, nothing is guaranteed. However, if there is one thing you can count on, it is that high-impact macroeconomic events will affect your assets. Unfortunately, accurately determining the direction and nature of these movements is often down to chance. The magnitude of macroeconomic events' effect on financial instruments depends on what is commonly called the surprise factor. The surprise factor is the difference between the value expected by the market, called consensus, and the actual number released during the event. For example, let's say that the common consensus is that there will be no interest rate increase by a central bank. But on the day of the event, the central bank announces a 1% increase in rates. The difference between no change and 1% change is huge. Therefore, the surprise factor is large and has a big effect on financial systems around the world. The difference between the consensus and the actual values is called the delta. Autochartist's news events trading service analyzes how each financial instrument was affected by different delta values over the last 12 months. This results in many noticeable correlations which are delivered to you through this tool. Nets has two types of forecasts it provides. On-event alerts provide forecasts as soon as a macroeconomic value is released. Autochartist immediately calculates the delta and then looks back over the last 12 months, checking for any correlations between the value of delta and the movement of all financial instruments. While we cannot promise that the trend will stay true to history, having access to this information could help you shift the odds and guide you to a more informed trading decision. Pre-event alerts provide forecasts before an event release. But because the actual macroeconomic number has not yet been released, Autochartist provides you with three scenarios: if the delta is negative, if the delta is positive, and if the delta is zero. While no amount of analysis or research could ever produce 100% odds, Autochartist's nets help you make an informed decision by giving an indication of which direction a chart may move immediately after a high-impact event.